guys, so it has been a long while since I talked to you guys. I just had, I don't know, a bunch going on. The world is crazy and I just didn't feel like filming for the last couple months, and I'm sorry, I really don't have an excuse for it at all. But I was cleaning out my room and noticed that I had a bunch of empties from the winter, so I figured I would do an empties videos and kick off things and just be more motivated to film because I do like it. I don't know, got away from me. So let's get into it real fast. And I will say that there are a bunch of planes going over, and I tried to refilm this a little bit earlier today. They will not stop all day. This is like literally my only time this week to film, so I hope that it's not super loud. I will try to cut it back, but just letting you know, if you hear background noise, that's what it is. So first off, I'm gonna do perfumes. I have this Dolce & Gabbana light blue perfume. I just have like the mini sample. My mom this is her favorite perfume ever, and so she let me try this one. It has like a fresh, clean scent. It's very soft and pretty. It smells really delicious. I would recommend it. I love fruitier scents normally, but I do really like the clean, sophisticated scent of this one. I also have this Peace, Love, and Juicy Couture perfume. This one has that floral scent that I really like. These are inexpensive. I feel like I see them all the time. They might even sell them at Walmart. I don't know. I know I've owned multiple bottles of these, but this is just like a nostalgic smell to me. I don't know if anyone else grew up with this, but I did in like little gift sets that people give me. It smells so good. Next up, I have this Glow by J Lo perfume. This one also smells really good. It's nostalgic. It reminds me of my mom. Again, just finishing up, I had a bunch of perfumes that had like little bits, so I've just been on like a hunt of like, I'm gonna finish all of them. I do not need to have bottles and bottles of perfume, so doing that now, but I'm just showing you the ones that I really like. I did try, where is it, this Beyonce Heat perfume, like a mini bottle. Not for me. It has like a honey scent to me, and I don't know, it just doesn't smell good on me. I don't enjoy the scent, so I wouldn't repurchase that one, but I know a lot of people really like it. I have from Bath & Body Works this 1,000 Wishes and this Bath & Body Works Fine Sea Island Cotton scent. Both of these smell amazing. I think I prefer the 1,000 Wishes, but pretty good body stuff. Again, finishing up, I had little bits of those. For body wash and shampoos, I get a lot of cheap body washes and shampoos, so I tried this Arm & Hammer Essentials Ultra Moisturizing Body Wash. It was really cheap, had a clean scent, nothing like too strong to rave about. It was just on sale when I bought it at the time, really inexpensive, so used it up. I tried these vegan Evercream Sulfate Free Moisture Care System. It's their Deep Nourish Shampoo and Conditioner with apricot oil. 100% vegan, paraben free. It says triple action hydration, no heavy waxes, no harsh salts, by L'Oreal. These are really good. For me, I have really thin hair, so I had to use a little bit. Like a little bit goes a long way with these, and that's surprising for like a vegan kind of situation here. If you have thick hair, you would probably really love this because it is super hydrating. And that's why I said I had to use a little bit, because I would feel like my hair would get greasy if I put too much, especially with the conditioner. And it just didn't feel as clean. So I personally won't repurchase this because, I don't know, I like to do a double cleanse with my shampoo, and I felt like I couldn't really do that with this. But I think if you had thicker hair, you would absolutely love it. So just give it a try and let me know how you feel about that. For a cheap shampoo, I had the VO5 Normal Daily Shampoo, because again, I'm not a stickler for anything. As long as it cleans my hair, I'm good. I'm all about saving money with that kind of thing. I also have the Pantene Smooth and Sleek Conditioner. Again, just a cheap conditioner. I tried this Mitchum Natural Power Bamboo Powder. It's 24-hour protection eucalyptus scent. This did not work for me. I had to apply it like every 3 or 4 hours. I just didn't feel like I smelled that great the whole time I was using it. I'm trying to be like good about it. It's like 0% aluminum, vegan, non-irritating, cruelty-free. No, it didn't work for me. Sorry. Not repurchasing it. I'm trying to find like a good one that doesn't have aluminum, but that wasn't it. I love this Hosk Monoi coconut oil 5-in-1 leave-in spray. I love all Husk products that I've tried so far. Smells amazing, and I definitely recommend and repurchase all their different kinds often. I tried this BioSilk Silk Therapy hair oil. It did fight frizz, did its job, kind of like every other hair oil. I haven't found one that feels different. All of them frizz ease. This one, just good in general, always have it for when I'm straightening my hair. I tried the Suave Advanced Therapy Body Moisturizer. It's a standard, inexpensive body moisturizer. It does the job. It's not overly hydrating. I prefer a little bit thicker. That one is a little bit more watery, but still good. I tried the Crest. This one's the Gum Detoxifying. It's like a 2-step teeth whitening product. Didn't feel like it whitened my teeth at all, so probably wouldn't recommend it. Won't be repurchasing it myself. I have a bunch of, well, not a bunch, I have 3. I have the Simple Micellar Cleansing Wipes. This does a good job, but not with waterproof makeup, but still good to have on hand for everyday use. The Neutrogena makeup removers will take off everything. I really do love these. And the CALA Aloe Vera makeup removing cleansing tissues also removed everything. Really like them. They had like a really nice cucumber smell, I want to say. That's what it reminded me of. Really good as well. I tried this from Dollar Tree, the Bolero Strawberry Seed Facial Mask with Super Berry. This one's a really good little face sheet mask at the dollar store. Pretty good, very hydrating. These two were kind of duds for me. I had the Crystal Vibes Aquamarine Glitter Gel Mask and the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Radiance Mud Mask. Neither of these felt that great, but I think I just prefer sheet masks if I'm going to do any sort of mask in general, to be honest with you. I just don't like being messy. And I can put creams all over my face, but when it's globs of stuff that are in different colors, it's just not necessary for me. I tried this, which was a real bummer. It was the Foot and Heel Peeling Mask. It's by ESFOLIO. I don't know if it's Korean skincare, but it has really cute packaging. A plane is going overhead, sorry. I'm gonna wait for it to calm down for a second. That's as good as it's gonna get with the noise. So this is supposed to be, I don't know if you've seen it all over the internet, I have seen it, is like you put on these like foot masks, it softens your feet, but eventually over time your feet will peel on their own. It's like a chemical peel, and then it gets all the dead skin off. That did not happen with this. It felt really good as like an actual mask on my foot. Kind of like a little bit of alcohol, like I felt like there was drawing properties to try to get that initial foot peel off. So when I took off the mask initially, I felt like I could feel a little bit more roughness and easy for me to like exfoliate some dead skin. But after that, nothing else peeled off. So I don't know. I don't recommend this. I wouldn't repurchase it, but it was fun to try. I'm fighting these planes so hard. I'm so mad at them. Okay, I have the Gold Bond Neck and Chest Firming Cream. This is a really good drugstore option if you're looking for firming creams, because I feel like I only ever really find them at Ulta and Sephora, but this was at CVS, and really good and hydrating, and I'm all about that. At 33, I'm trying to avoid wrinkles everywhere. I also tried the CVS Daily Facial Moisturizer with SPF 15. It's okay. It's not my favorite, but it's a good price point if you need a moisturizer. I just like a thicker one. This wasn't as hydrating as I wanted it to be. I tried the Neutrogena Deep Moisture Night Cream. This is super hydrating. Definitely recommend. I'm in love with Neutrogena right now. They're killing it with products. I'm just grabbing randomly in this like bin of trash. I have the Estee Lauder Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. This takes off everything. I'm a big fan of Estee Lauder in general, but I always get gift sets, so I always have this on hand, and it's just really good. A little bit goes a long way. It takes forever to use this bottle, in my opinion, because you only need the tiniest bit for your whole face, but works really well at removing makeup. I have the Essence Instant Matte Makeup Setting Spray. I did feel like this mattified my makeup. I don't know about long-lasting power, because I'll show you the one that I use for if I have like an event of any sort, if I'm taking pictures of any kind, that I prefer to use in general, because I know it's like not going to fail me. But this, I felt like, lasted pretty well on my face. But it did, the mattifying power does work. And I do have the glowing one. that adds a glow to your face, and that one works. So I feel like these are either $2.99 or $3.99 at most. Pretty good product. I have this Refresh Flower Power Dry Shampoo for my hair. This worked well at like clearing up any oil that was in there. I don't use dry shampoo that often, so it takes me a really long time to use up because I have been working out at least a little bit every day, and I just feel like I need to wash my hair after that, so I don't really have a need for it that often, but I did finish this up and I would recommend. Here's the finishing spray that I prefer. It's the NYX Matte Finish Spray, setting spray. This is amazing. I repurchase this constantly. I already have another one ready and never run out of this. This is awesome. I have this e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. This isn't my favorite. First of all, I had the wrong shade. It's medium peach, and I usually like peach correctors. This didn't do it for me. It's thick, but once you shear it out, it doesn't really have that much coverage to it, in my opinion. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. I just didn't really like it. It could have been the shade as well, but I'm not a fan of how it felt. It felt kind of crepey, and it definitely like got into my fine lines and didn't look that great. And it didn't last 16 hours. I also have this Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream. I use this as a moisturizer when I travel because it's in such a small container, and it comes in those Estee Lauder gift sets. This is super hydrating. This has lasted me like 3 or 4 like little weekend trips because you only need the tiniest bit. It's good stuff. I would repurchase the full bottle of that. It had been a while since I tried it. I also have the Physicians Formula Rosé All Day Tonight Eye Cream. This was surprisingly hydrating under my eyes. Very inexpensive. You can get it at Walmart, anywhere that has Physicians Formula products, even CVS. Pretty good. Next up, I have this Ulta Beauty Moisturizing Foundation Stick. It's in the shade Medium Warm. This is actually a very hydrating foundation stick if you like foundation sticks. This one glides on. It's not drying at all. It's easy to like put on your face and actually move around. I like a liquid foundation, but if I need a stick one to like have in my purse, this one would be perfect. It's just not super long lasting. I feel like you get a regular 4 to 5 hour wear on it, and then it starts decreasing from there, but it was super hydrating. I also have this Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. These are so hydrating. I get these in kits all the time. The last one only had a mini sample, but I have like multiple bottles of this, and I love it at nighttime. Oh, so hydrating. Absolutely love it. I tried these NYX HD concealers, the Studio Photogenic Concealers. I have this one in CW02 Fair, and then this one in CW01 Porcelain, because I do like it to be brighter under my eyes, and in the winter I'm super pale. I need a tan really badly, if you can't tell. I feel like a ghost, but I didn't like them. They're just too thin. I have too bad of under eye circles. It just didn't look right. I also tried the CC Plus Oil Free Matte SPF 40 Full Coverage Cream and Anti-Aging Hydrating Serum. I feel like I would like the glowy version of this. I didn't love the matte version of it. I also felt like I only wore it when I didn't have blemishes on my skin because it's kind of sheer, but, well, not as sheer. It had some coverage, like a light coverage, but I do like a medium to full coverage situation. In the summer, I might have liked it more, but I do want to try the glowy version because I think that's what I didn't love about it. I have the Instant Age Rewind Corrector in 160 Brightener. Love these. Any color in this range that works for you will work great. Super long lasting. Really like them. I have this Wet n Wild Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water. This just smells really, really good. It's gimmicky. It makes me happy just to smell the coconut scent. Doesn't make your face makeup last super long. Probably a little bit longer than the normal wear time of like 6 hours that I feel like most women wear their makeup, but I don't know. I would repurchase again because I just love the scent of it, and I'm a cheap person, so why not? I have this CETAPHIL Daily Facial Moisturizer with SPF 50+. This was actually extremely moisturizing. I have tons of moisturizers to keep using up, so I don't need to purchase one right now, but this was actually extremely good and inexpensive, so I was surprised because I never really tried CETAPHIL products. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because I don't really love CeraVe products, so in my mind they were like too similar, but this was really good. I also tried the CETAPHIL Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. This one I used when I felt like I had dry patches on my skin. It worked great to get it off, and it was super hydrating as well, and I felt like it cleaned everything, so I would repurchase this one again. I also have this Neutrogena Healthy Skin Primer with SPF 15. This one actually felt really, really nice on my skin, smoothing. Makeup just glides really nicely on top of it, so I would repurchase that. And then I have this Love by Sofia Vergara perfume. It's so fruity. It smells really, really, really good. I would repurchase this in a heartbeat. I have a bunch of perfumes that I said I'm getting through because they all have like little bits, but this is a good one. And then last but not least, I tried this OROGOLD 24K Deep Day Moisturizer Cream. It's just like a little sample pack. I don't know if the sample was old. It doesn't have any information on the actual little packet. I haven't had it for very long, but it just kind of pilled when I put it on, and it didn't feel good. It didn't feel moisturizing. I used the whole pack. I find with these kind of packs, you can use it like at least twice, but no, it didn't feel hydrated. It felt greasy. It was a mess. I don't want to try a bottle of this at all, so I don't know if you've tried this at all, but didn't like it. But that's everything for these empties. I will try not to be a stranger and upload more videos because I did miss you guys, and yeah, I'm excited to keep this up and at least do one video a week because I have a lot of fun ideas for makeup and stuff, and I just want a place out of this world that's fun and that you can come to and just get away from it all. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye!